Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangad College, Pali. Today's topic is Biodiversity Conservation in India, Part 2, that is XC2, Biodiversity Conservation. In this lecture, we will study importance of biodiversity, XC2 biodiversity conservation, what is Convention of Biodiversity. Now, why is biodiversity important? Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, where each species, no matter how small, have important role to play. Greater species diversity ensures natural sustainability for all life forms. Healthy ecosystem can better withstand and recover from a variety of disasters. So we need to preserve biodiversity. Methods of biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation involves two methods, in situ and ex situ. In my previous lecture, we studied in situ biodiversity conservation in detail. Now we will study ex situ biodiversity conservation. Ex situ biodiversity conservation are the situation in which an endangered species is so close to extinction that unless alternate methods are involved, the species may be rapidly driven to extinction. This strategy is known as ex situ conservation, that is, outside the natural habitat in a carefully controlled situation. Ex situ conservation involves maintenance and breeding of endangered plants and animals under partially or fully controlled conditions in specific areas like zoos, captive breeding, aquarium, botanical garden, gene banks, etc. There are about 36 major botanical gardens, 355 zoos, many deer parks, safari park and aquaria in India. This method of conservation is suitable for the animals which are not found in abundance. It provides protection to animals against predator, unfavorable climatic condition and other hostile factors. Furthermore, proper food and care is provided under proper supervision. Gene bank are important for conservation of germplasm or genetic material. Germplasm can be stored in gene bank, includes seeds, pollen, spores, semen, eggs, embryo, cells and tissue. More recently, DNA sequences are also being kept in specialized bank. Seed bank. The storage of seed is one of the most widespread and valuable ex situ approach to biodiversity conservation. Species and variety can be stored as an insurance against future extinction and to maintain genetic diversity that can be used in the future. Cryopreservation. The term cryopreservation refers to the storage of cells, tissue, and organs at the ultra low temperature of liquid nitrogen, that is minus 196 degree. In cryopreservation, the material can be stored for a considerable long period of time. Botanical gardens are institutions holding documented collection of living plants for the purpose of scientific research, conservation, display and education. Botanical gardens have important role in the conservation of world's plant diversity. Many of the world's threatened plant species are represented in their living collection or seed banks, which collectively provide an insurance policy supporting the maintenance of global biodiversity. In fact, botanical gardens have a strong focus on wild species which are endangered in their natural habitat. Zoos. In the past, zoos were mainly to display facilities for the purpose of public enjoyment and education. As large number of the species traditionally on display have become rarer in the wild, many zoos have taken on additional role of building up number through captive breeding program. Zoos now become increasingly important in the conservation of threatened wildlife species. Zoos are one of the most popular way of ex situ conservation. A lot of zoos focus on research and studies to a better understanding the animal species. Many of them also take part in selective breeding program. Aquarium. Just like land animals are protected in zoos, aquarium help in protecting marine organisms. The effort in maintaining aquarium and ensuring that they resonate with the actual environment for the species is difficult. Translocation is the managed movement of living indigenous plants or animals from one location to another. Translocation covers the entire process, including planning, the transfer, release, and monitoring, and post-release management. A translocation can have one or more transfer. A transfer is physical moving of the plant or animal from one location to another. What is Convention of Biodiversity? In 1992, government, indigenous group and non-government organizations from all around the world gathered in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil to talk about the environment. The Rio Earth Summit was the largest international environment meeting ever held. India ratified in 1994. The Convention of Biodiversity or CBD is an agreement between countries based on natural and biological resources. The CBD have three main goals: to protect biodiversity, to use biodiversity without destroying it, and to share any benefit from genetic biodiversity equally. Thank you.